Most people in crypto think they're early because they bought a few tokens before the next bull run. They're wrong though, because the real early move isn't about timing the next narrative, it's about owning the tools that every trader will use when the chaos hits. Screx isn't selling hype, instead it's building a single command center for the entire DeFi grind. The kind of thing that turns a scattered mess of bridges, swaps and farms into one connected machine. Now, while most traders jump chain to chain, chasing yields and burning gas, the ones using Screx will move faster, cheaper and stay liquid while everyone else fights the interface. This isn't just another future of DeFi pitch, it's a project that's quietly wiring together the entire structure most of you already use, stripping the friction that eats your profits. Swaps, lending, staking, farming, perps, all of it running inside one system. And that's what's being built. And the best part is that you're early because their private sale on Gems is actually live right now. Now in this video, I'm gonna tell you what Screx is, what it does, how it benefits you as a user, and how to get in. What Screx is pitching is a single DeFi command center that connects swaps, bridges, lending, staking, farming, perpetuals, liquidity pools, escrow, DAO tools, analytics and an AI assistant across major EVM chains. The pitch itself is fairly simple. Stop hopping between 10 tabs and manage DeFi from one screen. The project's black paper spells out the core modules and how they talk to each other. Swap, bridge, lend and borrow, stake, farm, trade perps, join DAOs, park funds in liquidity pools, move funds through escrow and view everything with on-chain analytics. Now the promise is that assets can move between these modules without extra steps. Bridge tokens can be staked right away, and collateral from lending can be redeployed into pools in the same session. Now to make this as easy as possible for you, I wanted to break down the toolkit piece by piece, in the same plain language you'd use with a trading desk. Let's start with the swaps. Now Screx routes trades across EVM chains and major dexes. The document names Uniswap, Curve, Balancer and others as sources of liquidity, with smart routing, pinging in path for price and speed. The point is to cut slippage and avoid manual venue hunting. Then we have bridging. Cross-chain moves sit inside the same interface. Now what they portray is that you can bridge funds, then use the bridge assets immediately in another module instead of bouncing out to a third-party bridge UI and back. Now chains listed include Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism and Phantom. As with any DeFi protocol, lending and borrowing is a big part too, right? So connections to Aave compound style markets are described so you can post collateral, draw a loan and then direct that liquidity into a pool or a strategy without shuffling wallets or tabs. The flow matters for active farmers who recycle collateral. Now to paint a picture, figuratively speaking, you would lock up $4,000 worth of ETH and be able to get a loan on 80% of that value. So you don't have to sell your funds in order for you to use it. Now people that are less keen on risk usually look for staking and yield farming. Plain staking for the SCRX token and farming for LP positions are built in, with the paper also noting token holder perks like fee discounts and premium features, plus governance rights. And if you're wondering if there is a deflation design present, it does. Now a fee burn on SCRX transfers and annual burn events funded from revenue or unused allocations. Now for the heavy hitters among us, you're probably wondering about perpetuals and liquidity. Screx talks about futures and perps and standard pool tools. If you scalp or hedge, keeping perps next to spot, bridge and lending changes the daily workflow. Bridge collateral, top up margin, close the hedge and rotate into a farm, all without leaving the screen. Now sometimes you need trusted entities or functions like escrow and DAO tools. And the paper includes escrow services and DAO participation. The targets over-the-counter deals, token warrant releases or contributor payouts that normally sit outside a trader's live dashboard. Now, I do realize I talk a lot about opportunities to make your money grow or how to actively use them to your benefit, but I do need to remind you that I'm not a registered financial advisor and that nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just here to showcase you the features and benefits of this project. Only invest money you're willing to lose and make sure to do your own research. Now, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now make sure to Follow the socials of Gems, Screx and my own to stay updated on the latest news. Also, know that the team of Screx has sponsored this video, but all opinions and statements are my own. A big thanks though to them for keeping Crypto with Rico live. Now, let's move on because we're going to have a look at the topic of analytics and assistant. Screx fuses real-time on-chain data with the market feeds and ships an AI assistant for routing and risk prompts. Now, if you're juggling routes across gas markets and liquidity pockets, that assistant is meant to nudge you toward a workable path and flag trouble. Now, dual mode design is present too, using zero-knowledge proofs where you can switch public or private visibility for transaction details. Plus, mentions of audits, so Certic, QuantStamp, Hacken, and compliance vendors like ZKME, Fractal ID and Synapse, alongside chain analysis and score chain are monitoring. Now the message is straight hard and keep records when you need them and hide detail when you don't. So before we piece this all together, I should tell you something about their smart routing technique, because this is the engine that makes Screx different. Every time a user executes a trade, swaps or bridges, this system runs through every connected blockchain and protocol in real time, mapping all possible routes the transaction could take. It calculates gas fees, liquidity depth, slippage and confirmation times, then automatically picks the route that gives the best outcome. Now behind the scenes, a trade might bounce through several networks to hit the best price, but the user never sees the complexity. Now the funds always arrive back on the same chain where the request started, because no manual bridging or token wrapping will be needed. Now for traders, that means better execution without wasting time hunting for rates, lower gas costs by skipping inefficient paths, and no risk of losing track of assets mid-transfer. It turns what's usually a multi-step DeFi grind into one clean instant transaction, while the system quietly squeezes the most of every move. Piecing this all together, I'd say you start the day on Ethereum with USDC in a lending market. You free collateral, bridge part of it to Arbitrum, route a swap into an LP, stake that LP for emissions and set a small perp hedge tied to your LP exposure. An alert pops for a better API on a Polygon, you unwind, bridge and restake. Now, if you're running a community vault, you move funds through the built-in escrow for payouts. The whole loop lives in one panel so you keep context and state. And that is the use case Screx is selling to DeFi native users. Right, and we can't leave out token and sale structure. The black paper lists 7 sale rounds moving from 0.035 cents to 0.11 cents. Now the token can be bought in a pre-sale on Gems. I've made a dedicated video on Gems before, so be sure to check them out. Now that said, Gems positions itself as a private sale launchpad, and Screx is listed by Gems' channels as a live private sale with a direct buy link. And Screx's pre-sale guide routes users through Gems for all transactions. Now let me quickly show you how you can enter the sale if you're interested, and make sure to grab the code in the description because you will be needing it to be able to access the sale page.
Right, you go to gems.vip, crypto gems at every stage from private sales to market leaders. Go over here, explore Launchpad, and then you see all the projects that are now active or have been active in the past. Click on the Buy Now link, and then you need to enter an access code to continue, which you can find in the description down below. Copy and paste it here, click Continue. You've got this pop-up of terms of service. Now be sure to read all of this, enter your email address and select I've carefully reviewed the private sale agreement, including its disclaimers, and fully agree to abide by its terms and conditions. And I hereby confirm that I'm not a citizen or a resident of the United States of America or the State of Israel, which is very important. And I agree to receive communication and marketing emails from Gems, and click Connect a Wallet. You'll get a pop-up allowing you to connect your MetaMask or your wallet connect. I need to log in. It asks me which wallet to connect. I'm going to click Connect and I'm going to click Continue. You'll get a 6-digit code to verify your email address, and I'm going to click Verify Code. Now I'm in the menu where I can buy the token. I can use the ETH or any one of these down here. I can select how many SCRX I can purchase. And then once that's done, you can click Buy SCRX. Now there's an option to get Gems Premium, so you will get a 7% discount. So be sure to check out that option as well.
So, Here it is, Screx is early. Their claims about audits, vendor ties and protocol hookups come from their project document. Cross-check smart contract addresses, audit reports, vesting and burn mechanics, and whether listed partners confirm any connection on their own channels as part of your research. Now check out this video right here to learn more about gems. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Doei!